Hey guys, DJ William here with DJ's Tech Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing, or I already have in my past YouTube videos on this channel, if you guys want to go check out the review part or the unboxing. But I'm going to be doing a sound test today. I've had this for almost a year. And I'm just going to show you guys how it sounds. Oh shoot, I'm going to show you guys how it sounds today. And maybe show you around the speaker as well, just for you, if you guys didn't really get the gist in the last video that I made. So this is it. So this is the Sound Pro NDS 8004A. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It's a replica of the QFX speaker, like I have shown on other video. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the sound test and all the sound modes that it comes with. Now let me just go grab the remote and show you guys a little gist of the device. So yes, this little 8-inch speaker has a remote. Now of course it isn't the expensive ones that you see on those very high tech or very high quality speaker systems, but it's pretty nice to have one of these. So it has the power on and off mode, the mute button, play and pause, rewind the track, forward the track, the equalizer, which that's what all the sound modes are going to be, volume up and down, and all your radio buttons, and the logo Sound Pro. So let's start off by turning on the speaker, and you guys will see how annoying it is. I'm just kidding, guys, but it is kind of annoying if you guys don't like these loud noises that they put on these cheap speakers. But that's the high. It's on aux mode every time. Then hear this beep. I hate it. Oh, it's so loud. Oh, it hurts my ears every time. Oh. Now I'm going to be trying out some songs that I like. And yes, is it gonna connect? Oh, there it is. Okay. I don't know, like that little thing here for the battery never really moves. It always like stays like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna put on a bass song first, or a song with bass, and I'm gonna make sure you guys hear the bass part of it, and I'm gonna put a song that has a lot of things occurring in the background.
Clinically proven aluminum-free deodorant provides 72-hour odor protection. Secret works.
I hate that, like, it's a knockoff. Like, the real version, which is a QFX, sounds a lot better, but it's alright. Even if you pause it, you can hear the sounds of it, like beep. Here, let me. You can hear beep. Sounds like radio static. These lights also come on and off as well. I'll leave it on for the video though. And they do not go with the beat. But if you play some bass music, it starts like fading and being weird. So I should give you guys a heads up first. But there is pop mode, which gives a lot of bass. Makes it sound terrible. You got rock mode, that's kind of a high frequency, like it makes it more louder and more bassier, which is pretty cool. Jazz has bass, but it's kind of like the classic. Makes the speaker sound like dookie. More like a calmer one, and then we're back to normal. But I think I'm gonna leave it on for pop for this one. No, I'm gonna leave it on Q. Yeah. This is what, halfway? This is halfway. Now let's put it at max. start backing away slowly, just so you guys can get how loud it is if you're around the room. Now let me turn it off just a bit more louder for you guys to get the clear experience. Just a bit more. Now I'm going to leave it back here. Get it to the bass part. It just shakes the floor, so it's not that bad. It's good for parties, outdoors. Well, if you don't really care about the sound, it's good for barbecuing as well. And it has a microphone input, so you can put a microphone in here for karaoke. But don't, please, because it actually cuts out when you're using the microphone. And I'll give you a preview of that right now. Now I'm gonna go back closer. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the microphone feature. I'm gonna show you how crap it is. So this is a microphone that I got with another speaker of mine, but this one also comes with the microphone, this speaker, so don't mind. Let's turn it to the back here. So I'm gonna plug in the mic. This mic is fully functional, by the way. I've used it with the real speaker that I came with, and it works perfectly. So we plug it in. Hello, 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 hello. So as you can see, it cuts out when I just don't really scream with the microphone. Like after like some weird shit just to make it work. You see, like it just cuts out right after while I'm talking, so I have to be like. I have to try to talk. Like let's just say like you're outside doing like you know, you're speaking at your barbecue, like, oh, thank you everybody for coming. Just buy a more expensive speaker. Like honestly, there are better prices on speakers. This one I paid like almost $100 and it's not even that good. But for something I used to have the QFX speaker like this. That's why I wanted it, because you know it broke. The last one I like gave it back just to get a new one, and the new one's actually terrible. But that was like a long time ago. Now I have better things than all of these combined. So yeah, this microphone that I got came with the Sound Rover 180. That is a party speaker as well. That is pretty affordable and pretty good if you want something nice like this. So now I'm gonna play some music that I love. Sorry guys, I'm gonna stop using the damn mic because it's so terrible. Let's just play this song. So let me just get the real one here.
It's more than.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. So actually, it works while you're. It works better when you're playing music, so it doesn't really cut off. Okay. Well, that's new. But you can come back here and touch the. Okay, that was weird. No. So as you can see, the mic is actually working now, or the mic feature. I think it only works when you play music, or if you speak very loud, like I do. But it keeps on it cuts off. That's all you gotta know, okay? So if you are gonna buy this, I bought it off of Canadian Amazon, because there are different types of Amazons, guys, all over the world actually. So yeah, this is the speaker. This is the Sound Pro NDS 8004A so-called party speaker. Now, I wouldn't bring this to a like a party with multiple people. This is only good for like backyard parties if you don't like care about the sound, like I said. But if you do, get something better. Like I have the Ion block rocker here, and this speaker gets louder than it's loud. Okay, it's loud, good bass, good sounds. Has microphone inputs, charging inputs, and lasts like 40 hours, which is crazy. No, not even. That's even more, like 60 hours. So you could be playing this on max volume. Probably it will degrade the battery to possibly, instead of 60 hours, maybe to 40 hours, right? So that's pretty good. Oh my god, I'm so cringe, guys. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Like as you can see, look, it's already cutting out. Like, oh, you see? Bang. Just cut out. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you. And make sure to turn on your notifications for you to never miss an upload that I make. So thank you very much, and bye.